let's solve this equation together. It says x to the power of root x is equal to 10. Okay, how do we solve this? Now the first thing to do is that we can say that x can be equal to root of x squared. Okay, so it means that we can replace x with this in this equation. So we have root of x squared all raised to the power of root of x is equal to 10. If you're opening up the bracket, you have root of x raised to the power of 2 root x is equal to 10. Alright? Now, at this point, we can say let root of x be equal to y. Okay? So we now have that y raised to the power of 2y is equal to 10. Alright? At this point, we can now say let's take the natural log of both sides. So we have ln of y to the power of 2y to be equal to ln of 10. Now ln of y to the power of 2y will be the same thing as 2y times ln to the power ln of y is equal to ln of 10. Okay? From this point, you can say let's divide both sides by 2. So that we have y multiplied by ln of y is equal to ln of 10 divided by 2. Now, recall that if you have 4, it can be rewritten to be equal to e to the power of ln of 4. Okay? It means that y here can be written as e to the power of what? Ln of y to be equal to, okay, multiplied by ln of y, okay, to be equal to ln of 10 over 2. Okay? Now, it's at this point that we use the Lambert's W formula. So recall that Lambert's W formula says that W of x e to the power of x is equal to x. Okay, so we'll apply that law here. Applying the Lambert's W formula here, we say the W of ln of y e to the power of ln of y is equal to the W of ln of 10 divided by 2. Okay, now W of this would give us ln of y to be equal to W of ln of 10 divided by 2. Okay. Let's say that we put both of these to the power of e. So we have e to the power of ln of y to be equal to e to the power of W of ln of 10 divided by 2. Okay. Now recall that we said that 4 is equal to e to the power of ln of 4. Hence, e to the power of ln of y will now be equal to y. And this is equal to e to the power of W of ln of 10 over 2. Okay. Now, moving on from here, we now have the law that we can use here is that e to the power of W of a is equal to a over W of a. So it means that y now will be equal to ln of 10 over 2 divided by W of ln of 10 over 2. Okay. Now, at this point, you recall that our y is equal to root x. So we now have root x is equal to ln of 10 over 2 divided by W of ln of 10 over 2. Now, squaring both sides, we would have this squared and then we'll square this side. So it means that x now becomes equal to ln of 10 divided by 2, okay, divided by W of ln of 10 over 2 all raised to the power of 2. Okay, so this now becomes the answer to this equation. Thanks for watching.